Not all homeowners are blessed with a spacious house where they can invest in any furniture without worrying about making their house space more cramped. Some homeowners have to get by with limited space, which means they have to downsize all the furniture that makes their bedrooms smaller. If your house is rather small, don't worry, try your luck with one or two of these. Number 10. Living Cube. Modern designers offer a wide variety of ways to furnish your living space. The most notable of them are those that look attractive and use the entire space very effectively at the same time. For example, the Living Cube. There are all kinds of drawers and shelves on the side where you can place your books, music record, a player, a TV, and even some clothes. At the end of the Living Cube, there is a ladder too, has also a door that lets you inside the structure of this small room. In this case, it is used as a storage room. The manufacturer claims that this design is variable, so that inside the cube there may be a dressing room or a bathroom. Finally, we'll tell you about the upper surface of this structure. Here, you can arrange a lounge area or place something, or as shown in the video, arrange your place to sleep. Number 9. PARISOT SPACEUP. The first space-saving solution we've shown today will only fit in a large high-ceiling room. However, it can also give its owner a large storage space. First of all, pay attention to the sides of the bed. They're equipped with shelves. PARISOT has a unique feature that makes it different from the competitor's model. The mattress tilts back, and under it, there are 2.3 cubic meters of space for storage. The storage space is equipped with drawers. It's even possible to store large-sized objects such as suitcases and sports equipment. It's noteworthy that the hinged mechanism has been carefully designed. Thanks to this, when the bed is opened, there is enough space inside for a person to enter. Thus, SPACEUP is 3 pieces of furniture in one: a bed, a night table, and a closet. Number 8. Slumber shelves. People who live in small one-room apartments often face a catastrophic lack of free space. The Singaporean company Spaceman offers a solution to the problem. This is a unit that combines 2 spaces of furniture indispensably for any modern home. It's a TV unit which in a few seconds with a simple movement transforms into a double bed. Although the unit is equipped with rotating parts, all shelves designed to store things don't change their position in space. Thanks to this, even if the contents are expensive, you don't have to worry about the fact that a one-room apartment accommodates both a living room and a bedroom. Number 7. KARLEY Duo Sofa. This is a sofa transformer from Resource Furniture. When folded, it's no different from any 2-seater sofa. However, if desired, the construction can take the form of a bunk bed. What looks like part of the wall is another folding bed. Please note, it is equipped with soft edges to protect the person sleeping on it. The topmost part of the structure is a shelf. Number 6. Smart Kitchen. The place where people spend most of the time at home should be as comfortable and functional as possible. We are talking, of course, about the kitchen. Here's an amazing set. Every meter of this space has a huge number of advantages and features a remote control that opens the drawers. The corners, the most useless space in terms of space organization, are fully exploited. The outer panels can be removed, which makes cleaning much easier. The drawers have already integrated separators, making it easy to organize kitchen appliances too. The design is modern and technologically advanced, so there are places for the wireless charger as well. Number 5. Smart Living. At first glance, it may seem that the design of this furniture from Axio Design is similar to the design that we've already shown you. The area where the TV is located has been improved to perform 2 functions instead of 1. But Smart Living allows you to use the extra space differently. This furniture is designed for homes that have enough space for a separate bedroom, but not enough for a full dining room. The panel to which the TV is attached can be moved. Behind it, there are hooks with folding chairs hanging onto them. In the lower part of the construction, there is a folding table hidden. In a matter of seconds, the room transforms completely. Number 4. Bed Chill. Eat, or use a laptop for work, play, read, listen to music, do whatever your heart desires with BedChill. A unique over-the-bed table that turns your bed into a second living room. BedChills comes in 3 different sizes to match your needs with features like built-in power outlets, USB charging ports, lights, and Bluetooth speakers to provide all your needs at your comfort zone. The BedChill is made out of plywood, making it lightweight with impeccable durability, which allows you to use it without any worry. It allows you to control lights and music wirelessly using a remote control, and it comes in a multi-purpose design, so that you can turn it into a table or an amazing desk or even a console table. Number 3. Smart Tables. Introducing the future of furniture. A unique multimedia table that makes you rethink what a table can do. This table features a wireless key charging surface which allows you to charge your key-enabled devices just by putting them on the table. For a bonus, it supports fast charging. It is equipped with 2 10-watt speakers connected to the high-quality amplifier. The table has Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to turn on your favorite playlist whenever you want. You can use a water and scratch-resistant detachable coffee table to serve breakfast in bed or hold a laptop conveniently while working late at night. It has a built-in dimmable LED light that allows you to spice up the view at night. You can control the lights using its embedded sensors without any hassle. The table has 2 built-in USB ports that supports fast charging and features hidden compartment for storage. Number 2. VERRIER Gravity Balance. Relax at home and improve your productivity with an ergonomic rocking chair that delivers maximum comfort and helps you to stay productive. The Gravity is multifunctional without compromise. With its 4 angles, you're given room to alter it between postures, ranging from kneeling to fully reclined so that you can relax in optimum comfort. Leaning forward, Gravity can be used as a kneeling chair that shares gentle rocks to the response of the breathing, allowing you to relax into weightlessness. Unlike traditional retainers, this chair offers excellent lumbar support while keeping your body's movement natural, ensuring smooth transition from one position to the other. The Gravity is available in natural or the black finish, and also a wide range of AFOL striped fabrics and colors. The wooden runners are made from layers of beech and ash plywood, which provides a premium feel. Number 1. SPACEUP Modular Sofa. Reshape your living room and get creative with a unique sofa that can reshape. Just like a designer, it comes with interchangeable smart modules built from only 3 models, which are cornered single and auto mount so that you can use your home space to its full potential without any hassle. Made with plush fabric, the modular piece can be moved around to create your perfect loop so that you always stay in charge of your configuration. Mix and match the pieces that are designed to inspire you in your living room or even the bedroom. You can break up the set and have it function as a chase. The scrumptious looking striped pillows and ottoman complements the armless piece in apple green and to the emerald colored corner pieces. So that's all about the top 10 space-saving furniture and ideas for you. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this one in your feed.